Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today I kept admit option because yesterday some random person don't know has entered. Why? I don't know. So that's why I kept admit option today. So those who known to me only I can admit. Is my voice audible? Akshay Reddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. "28. "29. Ramya. Manoj Kumar. P. Manoj. Someone has messaged me. Good morning. Yes, good morning, Devendra. Yes, so we'll start. Now the strength is 30. It's okay. So daily 10 members were absent. That is common only. That I've expected the same daily. I'm experiencing with that in all the classes.
Wait, ma'am, he will come.
Who? Pavan Kumar Reddy. Yeah. So meanwhile, I'll admit because
Girish will come, ma'am.
who will come? Is there any new today? మీకు ఎవరైనా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేశారా? Yeah, okay. You are telling about your friends, right? Okay. Yes. We were in the topic of classification of signals, right? So which will cover your 30% of next portion. In the first unit, signal analysis, it is going to cover your next already 40% over, that is orthogonality. I have given the assessment also. I have given the by 11 p.m. yesterday I have checked my mail. I checked my Google form. By that time only I have received from 480 Chendu. He has given in the excellent way. So simple. I am కష్టపడలేదు ఎలా daily whatever I am telling he used to write in the notes. That's what I asked. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So likewise he kept the heading, and whichever I am telling that he has written in the notes and he has forwarded me. That's well and good. Okay, So likewise, if you have the readily notes with you also, you can forward. So whichever I am keeping in our personal S&S group, please everyone keep it with you. Delete చేయకండి, ఎక్కడో దగ్గర బ్యాకప్ పెట్టుకోండి, ఐదర్ ఇన్ ద సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ వేరెవర్. ప్లీజ్ కీప్ బ్యాకప్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ ఫైల్స్. మళ్ళీ at the end of the exams, at the end of the time, mid exams, ma'am I lost my media అంటే నేను పంపించినాము. Okay, so that must be sure. So that's why I kept a separate group, because I can give you the number of material to you, because I have right, that's it. And next, we were in the topic of classification of signals. Total how many, everybody keep on messaging, total how many number of classifications are there? All the classification lists were registered in your mind. 8 list మీకు రిజిస్టర్ అయిపోయిందా? Keep on messaging everyone. 8. Number 7 ఏదైనా అడగానే చెప్పాలి నాకు. You have to tell me the number 7, number 8, number 3, number 4. Okay, so everybody have registered? Yes, yes, okay. So everybody is messaging very quick. Now the fourth one, 1, 2, 3 over. So what is the first one? Girish, my favorite student. No, Girish, no అట్లా తప్పుగా అనుకోకు.
నేనేమన్నా మ్యామ్?
గిరీష్, నేను ఏమన్నాను? నా ఫేవరెట్ స్టూడెంట్ అన్నాను, అనకూడదా? నాకు మంచిగా రెస్పాన్స్ అన్నాను, అనకూడదా? చెప్పు, నేను అన్నాను. ఇంకా చెప్పు.
లేదు మ్యామ్, అట్లేం లేదు మ్యామ్, చెప్పండి.
ఊరికే గిరీష్ అన్న, నువ్వు రెగ్యులర్ స్టూడెంట్ అట్లా. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ షిఫ్ట్ టు అఖిల్ సాయి టుడే. అఖిల్ సాయి.
Yes, ma'am.
Akhil Sai, what is the first one? What is the first one? First name, classification list lo. Are you present yesterday? Are you present yesterday? What is the first name? What is the first classification name? What is the first classification list? Okay.
Continuous and discrete time signals.
Very good, Girish, and very good. Akhil Sai చెప్పిండో లేదో నాకు తెలియదు కానీ దట్స్ వై గిరీష్ ఈజ్ మై ఫేవరెట్ అన్నాను. అంతే గిరీష్, డోంట్ మైండ్. సింప్లీ క్లాస్ లో ఒకరు ఉండాలి నాకు. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ నేమ్ నాకు జపించాలి, అది నా హ్యాబిట్.
ఉదయ్ కిరణ్.
ఉదయ్ పెట్టుకోనా, నిన్నొద్దా? రైట్.
No, only Girish.
Only Girish. Most of the your friends have recommended you, that's why. Okay, Girish, let it.
Yes, ma'am. First Girish, next
No
Akhil
problem.
Sai.
Just keep cool. First one is continuous time signals and discrete time signals, and you have seen the representations also. And immediately soon the second list is analog and digital signals also we have seen. Then third one is new to you, because already these two known to you in the earlier also, and this is the third one is new to you and discussed. What is that? I'm going to ask Uday today. Uday, can you tell me the name of the third? Unmute. Remaining people can message meanwhile. I'm going to consider every. Uday, please మాట్లాడాలమ్మా.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one name తెలియకపోతే మెసేజ్ చేయి. Third one name. Okay. Srinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Srinath, do you know the third name? Third one name.
No, ma'am.
No. Are you absent yesterday? Shall I check?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Navyant. Yes, Nana, Navyant. Fast, Navyant.
Yes, ma'am.
Navyant, tell me the third one name. No. నిన్న కూడా
No, ma'am.
నవ్యంత్. నవ్యంత్ ఎస్ఎస్ క్లాస్ అంటేనే బోర్ అవుతుంది, మిగతా క్లాసులన్నీ వెరీ యాక్టివ్ అంట. ఐ కేమ్ అక్రాస్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎ డిస్కషన్ విత్ మై కో ఫ్యాకల్టీ. Yes. Okay, the third list is deterministic and non-deterministic signals. Deterministic, simply one word I am saying you today. Deterministic means the signal has to follow some mathematical equation. The signal can able to be drawn by following any mathematical equation. Okay, if not, that is non-deterministic or random signal. Non-deterministic or random signal. So now it is very interesting, fourth one, and very important too. Among 8, so this fourth one is very important. Even you are going to use in the laboratory also, generating the periodic signals and non-periodic signals. Okay, periodic signal and non-periodic signal. There is other name also for non-periodic signal, that is aperiodic signal. Aperiodic. Please remember the other names also. So what does mean by periodic? Means you have a signal x of t, and I will tell you both. Even in the continuous lo cheptanu nenu periodic concept, even in the discrete, both I will tell you. The concept of periodicity or periodic signals, I will tell you in both the formats, CTS format as well as DTS format. Okay, now I have taken a CTS signal. X of t is a continuous time signal. If I replace t by t in the entire equation, if I replace small t by t plus t, though I am getting the same signal again. If any function is satisfied like that, such signal is called periodic signal. Okay, if not, non-periodic signal. That's it. మీ దగ్గర ఒక x of t అనే సిగ్నల్ ఉంది. You have x of t signal. X of t, for example, sin t. Okay, x of t is equal to sin t. You have a signal like this. If you replace t by t plus t, both sides, if you replace t, I have some internet problem, ma'am. Navyant, okay, Navyant, let it. Yeah, Navyant, okay, I consider. If a signal, you have a signal like this, if you replace t by t plus t in the entire equation, and again you are getting the same, means that is such signal, such function is called periodic signal. Okay, we'll prove that one. I'll show you. Just learn the definition, learn the concept. Just replace t by t plus t. Here you are seeing one capital T. What does it mean by that? Capital T means yes. So that capital T is called fundamental time period. So remember this word. Every time I may use capital T or T suffix. T suffix not, T not. Both ways. Both are both meaning is fundamental time period. Okay, remember this. What is the unit of time period? Seconds. And the relation between the, already I explained you, f is the normal frequency, w is the angular frequency, f is the fundamental frequency in hertz. Unit of frequency hertz, unit of frequency hertz, and time units are seconds. Omega is the angular frequency. Can anyone? What is the unit of angular frequency? Radians per second. Here I am telling you total 3 terms, 3 letters, 3 notations: capital T, W, and F. Okay, and along with the relations also. T is equal to 2 pi by omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi by 2 pi F. Okay. So let us prove that one. For example, functionally I am proving. I can say any topic in the 2 ways. I can show you any topic in the 2 ways. One is functionally, another one is graphically. I can tell you the topic in the 2 ways. One is in the functional way and another is in the graphical way. Okay. So functionally I want to prove the periodicity. In periodic function avutada kada. Okay, I want to check that one. For example, I have taken one signal a cos omega naught t. A cos omega naught t అని ఒక సిగ్నల్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, పీరియాడిసిటీ చెక్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Replace t by t plus t in the above equation. In this equation, replace t by t plus t. Wherever you are seeing the t, simply replace it by t plus t. LHS or HS, both sides I am replacing t by t plus t. Yes, ఇక్కడ t ఉంది, t plus t substitute చేసాను. A is the constant, amplitude, cos is the function, omega naught is the angular frequency, and here I can see t. Immediately I have to replace with t plus t. Okay. Then omega naught inside, omega naught t plus t, omega naught ni inside multiply చేస్తున్నాను. I'm doing the multiplication inside. Omega naught t plus omega naught capital T. This omega naught inside the bracket. Okay. Now you know the relation, right? What is the relation between omega naught and capital T? Sometimes I may write omega, sometimes I may write omega naught. So it doesn't affect. So please consider everyone. Omega is the angular frequency. Sometimes I may use omega, sometimes I may use omega naught. Okay, don't mind at all. Here, so 2 pi by t I am substituting. At the place of omega naught, I have substituted 2 pi by t simply. Rest everything same. And here my t and t gets cancelled. Finally, I am left with a cos 2 pi plus omega naught t. A cos 2 pi. And you know the relation? Trigonometric relation cos 2 pi plus theta ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? Cos 2 pi plus theta will be cos theta only. 2 pi plus some. Very good. So a cos omega naught t. This is same as your given equation, right? This is same as your given function. Yes, I proved. Cos t plus t is equal to cos t. Okay. So in this way I have proved functionally, and all the cos signals are periodic signals. Remember, all the cos signals are periodic. ఇక్కడ cos కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే పీరియాడిక్ అయిపోతాయి. All the cos signals are amplitude ఏమన్నా ఉండనివ్వండి, angular frequency ఏమన్నా ఉండనివ్వండి. Okay, whatever it is, whichever the amplitude, whichever the angular frequency, your cos signals are periodic. If you replace t by t plus t, you are getting the same function again. Is this clear, everyone? Message. I want the message. Periodicity concept explain chestunna. I am not showing you any graphically yet. I am telling you functionally. I have given one condition. I have given one condition. X of t plus t. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Remaining one kuda message cheyali. Only I am receiving the messages regarding yes or no from 489 Nikita, 79 Nikita, Devender. That's it. Everybody. So that మరి మీ ఒక్కరికి అర్థమైందని చెప్పేసి నేను ఆల్ ద 33 స్టూడెంట్స్కి అర్థమైందని కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయలేను. ఎవ్రీబడి కీప్ ఆన్ మెసేజింగ్. యా, నెక్స్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ అమోకృష్ణ. అందరికి అమోకృష్ణకి వెల్కమ్ చెప్పండి. చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత కనిపిస్తున్నారు నాకైతే. 455 అమోకృష్ణ, వెల్కమ్ టు ద జూమ్ రూమ్ అమ్మ. దట్స్ వై టుడే స్ట్రెంత్ ఈస్ 37. Let me find today whoever are absent, repeated absence. Okay, so that is a latter issue. Next, ఫోర్స్ ఇప్పుడే వస్తున్నారు. ఏం ఇప్పుడే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అయిందా? Yes. Next, B-bit. B-bit is I want to check the periodicity of the sine signal also. Just now I have checked the periodicity of cos signal, right? Now I want to check for sinusoidal signal. Just cos plus lo sine పెట్టేసానండి. The procedure everything same. I want to check the periodicity of the sinusoidal signal also. Okay. Cos signal I have checked. Now I want to check the sinusoidal signal. Just instead of cos, here sine is there. Everything procedure same. Replace t by t in the given equation. I have done both LHS and RHS. Both sides have done with the replace t by t plus t, because that is the condition for periodicity. That is the condition for checking the periodicity. That's why I have to t plus t, omega naught t plus t, then omega naught inside, multiplication inside, omega naught t plus and same formula I have used. Omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t. T and t gets cancelled. Finally I am left with a sine 2 pi plus theta, and as you know sin 2 pi plus theta is sin theta again. So I got my original signal back. Even if I replace t by t plus t in the entire equation, I got my original equation back. That's why my sinusoidal signal is also periodic signal. Okay, so I have checked 2. I have checked 2. Next, C bit. Total 3 I want to check, and these 3 are very important. This may help you in problem solving. In problem solving, these 3 may help you. Okay, that's why remember. A bit A cos omega naught t, B bit A sin omega naught t. Now C bit is this is the exponential signal. మనం ఇంకా చదువుకోలేదు, నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ అదే టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సిగ్నల్స్. బట్ బై సీయింగ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ రైట్ నౌ, దిస్ సిగ్నల్ ఇస్ ఈ పవర్ ఉంది కదా, ఏమనాలి, ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ సిగ్నల్. బట్ హియర్ జే ఈస్ హియర్, సో దట్స్ వై కాంప్లెక్స్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ సిగ్నల్. ఇది లేకపోతే నార్మల్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ సిగ్నల్ అనేదాన్ని. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ జే ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ ఐ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ నార్మల్ exponential signal. But as the j is here, I must call it as complex exponential signal. Let us check the periodicity of this complex exponential signal. Till now I have checked cos signals periodicity, sine signal periodicity. Now I want to check for complex exponential periodicity. Check చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. Procedure same. Replace t by t plus t in the given equation. Both sides x of t plus t, a j omega naught t plus t, and at the place and omega naught inside multiplication, omega naught t, omega naught at the place of omega naught t I have substituted 2 pi by t, and this t and this t gets cancelled, e power j omega naught plus 2 pi. But you know Euler's identity. Did you remember everyone Euler's identity? E power j theta formula. E power j theta. E power j theta అంటే ఏం రాయాలమ్మా? E power I theta ఏమో మీకు. E power j theta నాకు, because I am in the signals, right? E power j theta is equal to cos theta plus. మేడం మీరు కష్టపడకండి మౌస్తో రాస్తూ, ఇమీడియట్గా నా దగ్గర పెన్ను పేపర్ ఉంది, నేను మీకు చూపించేస్తాను. బ్యాక్ కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసుకుని అంటే యు ఆర్ మై గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్, యు ఆర్ మై గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్. ఓకే, cos theta plus, ma'am wait ma'am, hold ma'am, I can keep a back camera.
Sin theta.
Yeah, evaru right, or else you can write in the chat box also. E power j theta is cos theta plus j sin theta, cos theta plus j sin theta. Okay, so I have expanded. According to Euler's identity, I have expanded. Cos theta plus j sin theta. Theta plus లో omega naught t plus 2 pi ఉంది కాబట్టి రాసేసుకున్నాను. And you know this one, cos 2 pi plus theta is cos theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Cos 2 pi plus theta. So again cos theta plus j sin theta e power j theta. So I get back my signal again. My signal is back. Even I have replaced with t by t plus t, my signal is back by using so many trigonometric formulas like Euler's identity and cos 2 pi plus theta. After using so many trigonometric relations, I got my signal back. So finally, A, B, C bits you have to remember. All the cos signals are periodic. All the sinusoidal signals are periodic. All the complex exponential signals are periodic. So you have to remember this one. I am going to ask definitely today. 3 standard periodic relations. These three were standard periodic relations. A is cos, B is sin, C is complex exponential. Okay, is this clear everyone? Keep on messaging yes or no. Next, yes, okay Vamshi, good. Yes, next thing, this is graphically And the beauty of the subject is graphical only. Functionally okay, but in the competitive point of view, signal ni చూడగానే చెప్పేయాలి within the less than a half minute. That is the beauty of your GATE exam, GRE, IES exam, or DRDO, ISRO. Many government job exams, signals plays important role. మీకు ఎవరైనా సీనియర్స్ ఉంటే తెలుసుకోండి, either your brothers, sisters, those who have already settled with the GATE government jobs. So just ask them what is the importance of signals అంటే ఓ నైన్ ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆరో మంచి చదువురు అని చెప్తారు. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ మ్యామ్ మా గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ 4th year అయిపోయినాక ఉంటుంది కదా, వై సౌమ్య లేట్? సౌమ్య మెసేజ్ మీ మా వై యు ఆర్ లేట్ టుడే టు ద క్లాస్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ అ రెగ్యులర్ స్టూడెంట్, మెసేజ్ మీ. దెన్ మ్యామ్ మేము గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4th year రాస్తాం కదా, why I have to start now means definitely because your syllabus of the GATE has started. The GATE syllabus will be second 21, 22, 31, 32 only, not 41, 42. 41, 42. Your GATE portion has started. DSD is one of the GATE subjects. Your network analysis is one of the GATE subjects. Your signals, your EDC, all the second year subjects place much weightage in the GATE, having more weightage in the GATE. So that's why your syllabus has started. Even when I have written my GATE exam, my signals and system madam నాకు ఊగా గుర్తొచ్చేవాళ్ళు తెలుసా, that Nirja madam, I think even that madam has remembered me. Even I taught this subject for 4 times. Even my students of the previous batches used to call me whenever they are getting the doubt. వాళ్ళ నోట్స్ ఉంచుకునేవాళ్ళు. బట్ మీ బ్యాచే కరోనా బ్యాచ్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, లైక్ నేను మిమ్మల్ని చూడలేకపోతున్నాను, మీ నోట్స్ చూడలేకపోతున్నాను. ఐ కెనాట్ గివ్ ద ప్లెంటీ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ as it is online. Okay, my previous 4 batches they used to have the notes and daily వాళ్ళ నోట్స్ పక్కన పెట్టుకొని ఏదో ఒకసారి నాకు మెసేజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. I can appreciate them. Really, I'm proud of them. Many were cleared their gates. Okay, and even I helped them like by solving. For example, వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఏస్ గేట్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్కి వెళ్ళారు. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకు ఒక టాస్క్ హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చారు, రావట్లేదు, నాకు మెసేజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. సేమ్ క్యామ్ స్కాన్, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడో ఉన్నారు, నేను ఎక్కడో ఉన్నాను. ఓకే, క్యామ్ స్కాన్ అండ్ దే యూజ్ టు వాట్సాప్, దే యూజ్ టు మెయింటైన్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ ద వాట్సాప్. And I tried my level best for my student future. Even you people also. Okay, so keep that apart. Now by seeing the signal itself, this graphical signal itself, you have to tell whether this signal is periodic signal or not. If periodic signal, how much time period for this? If periodic, time period enta? Ide question generally. They'll give you some signal like this and they'll ask you if signal is periodic. If signal is periodic, yes Emma. If periodic, how much time period ane question adugutaru. Yes, now listen everyone, concentrate. Ippudu varaku vinakapena parledu, ippudu vinandi. Periodic means the signal has to maintain the standard structure maintain cheyali. Standard structure means a regular interval. So listen my words, regular interval. Now this is a sinusoidal signal from 0 to infinity undi, 0 to infinity, and this is the positive half cycle and this is a negative half cycle, and this I can call it as a full cycle. Full cycle means one complete half cycle, one complete full cycle is called a full cycle. Like this, I have full cycle. Okay, and between the interval 0 to pi అంటే pi units maintain చేస్తుంది, and pi to 2 pi width of the negative cycle is also pi units. తక్కువ ఉండద్దు, ఎక్కువ ఉండద్దు, ఈక్వల్ గా సిమెట్రికల్ గా ఈక్వల్ విడ్త్ తో మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, 0 to positive half cycle is also having the width of 0 to pi, width of pi. Even the negative half cycle is also having 2 pi minus pi width. Now where the and this is a same repeated shape లో ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అయిందా? పాజిటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Okay, cycle number 1, cycle number 2, and next one is, this is the repeat, cycle number 3. Okay, positive and negative half cycle, positive and negative half cycle. So total full one cycle, second full one cycle. So likewise, and how much this width? E width ఎంత ఉంది? 3 pi to 2 pi అంటే ఎంత width? Pi width again. And this negative cycle 4 pi minus 3 pi. Yes. So the signal structure is repeating. Okay, with the standard interval. Standard అంటే same interval తో రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడ తగ్గలేదు పెరగలేదు, విడ్త్ సేమ్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పీరియాడిక్ సిగ్నల్. నౌ హౌ కెన్ ఐ ఫైండ్ ద టైం పీరియడ్? మీన్స్ everybody observe the shape 0 to pi full cycle, and the where the full cycle starting again, second cycle ekkada start ayindi? 2 pi daggara. Okay, where the second cycle has started? 2 pi. Where the first cycle has started? 0. So 2 pi minus 0 is the finding time period concept. First మన కళ్ళతోనే చూడాలి అంతా ఒకే విడ్త్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుందా అని. విత్ యువర్ ఐస్ ఓన్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ వెదర్ ఆల్ ద సిగ్నల్ ఈజ్ మెయింటైనింగ్ విత్ ద సేమ్ విడ్త్, సేమ్ షేప్. విడ్త్ షేప్ రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద టైమ్ విడ్త్ బట్ ఆల్సో ద షేప్ ఆల్సో. ద షేప్ కూడా తక్కువ ఎక్కువ అవ్వద్దు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ షేప్ ఇట్లా కూడా అవ్వద్దు. ఓకే, second shape where it has started. For example, I want to consider the successive shapes of 2, 3. I have taken the 1 and 2, right? I have taken 1 and 2. Second shape start minus first shape start. Second shape start. Second shape minus disconnected. Ma'am, I have joined earlier. Okay, Ma Soumya. Second shape started minus first step. As I have considered the 2 successive cycles. Successive means immediate. పక్కనే ఉన్న cycles ని మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. Now I am taking the successive cycles of 2, 3. 2, 3 cycles తీసుకుంటున్నాను to find the time period. I confirm my signal is periodic as it is maintaining the standard interval. Now my task is to find the time period. ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేయాలంటే చెప్తున్నా. Now consider the 2, 3 cycles. Third cycle where it has started 4 pi. Third cycle 4 pi. Where the second cycle has started? ఎక్కడ second cycle start అయింది? T2 minus T1 అన్నమాట. 4 pi minus 2 pi. Again 2 pi. So likewise ఇలా 2 pi మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూనే వెళ్ళాలి. Even if I have considered 100th cycle 101 cycle. Even if I consider the 100 and 101 cycle also, it has to give the 2 pi only. So how much time period for this? Fundamental time period. The name is fundamental time period or general normal time period. 2 pi. So is ఇంకొక example చూస్తే ఇంకా క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుంది. Let's move to the next example. In the previous I have taken the sinusoidal signal. Now it is which signal? Can anybody? ఈ సిగ్నల్ కి ఒక పేరు ఇస్తారా? By seeing the signal shape. By seeing the signal shape. Very good, Chandu. Very good. And everyone, by seeing the signal shape. By seeing the signal shape. Can you give me the name of the signal? Everybody keep on messaging. దీని షేప్ ఏంటి? ఇది స్క్వేర్ అంటాను నేను. స్క్వేర్ సిగ్నలా? Oh. Yes, ma, I am asking this one. Triangle shape kada? Triangular signal it is. As the name is a triangle, right? As the signal looks like a triangle shape of general algebra. So that's why it is a triangular signal. Very good, Nikita. Triangular signal. Okay, now I am asking you, for this triangular signal, is periodic or not అనే విషయం చెప్పండి నాకు. పీరియాడికా కాదా? ఎలా తెలియాలి పీరియాడికా కాదా? సేమ్ విడుతుందా అని చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి, ఐదర్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆర్ టు ద రైట్ సైడ్. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఎ షేప్ నెంబర్ 1. సేమ్ షేప్ ఉందా? ఎస్, సేమ్ షేపే ఉంది, బట్ మరి సేమ్ విడుతుందా? Yes, it is the same shape, but let me confirm, is this the same width? 0 to 1 ante enta width? Yes, 1 is the width. 1 to 2 means 2 is the width. Yes, same width. Visually I can confirm it is a periodic signal. Visually it is confirmed periodic. Then what about my time period? What about, so my time period, if I consider the two successive shapes, ఇది జీరో ఎత్ షేప్ అనుకుంటానమ్మా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జీరో ఎత్ షేప్, ఫస్ట్ షేప్, సెకండ్ షేప్ అన్నీ చూడడానికి ఒకేలా ఉన్నాయి, విడ్త్ కూడా ఒకేలా ఉంది. ఎస్, విజువల్లీ ఐ కెన్ కన్ఫర్మ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ పీరియాడిక్ సిగ్నల్. బట్ దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ మై టైమ్ పీరియడ్? ఎస్, I will consider the two successive shapes. Second one minus first one always. Second starting minus first starting. 0 1 lo second starting 0. Then what about first starting? -1. Minus of -1. So +1. Yes, my time period is 1 second. Compulsory you have to write the time because it is the time axis. For example, if I have taken these two successive shapes, second starting minus first starting. Second starting is 1. First starting is 0. 1 minus 0. Yes, itla తీసుకున్నా కూడా 1. So finally my time period is 1. Is this clear everyone? Let us move to the third example. Now it is a square shape. Square wave. Now signal ఎలా ఉంది? సేమ్ షేప్ ఒకటి తీసుకోండి. సేమ్ షేప్ అంటే ఇక్కడ జనరల్గా ఆరిజిన్ దగ్గర అయితేనే బాగుంటుంది. కన్సిడర్ ద ఆరిజిన్, ఫుల్ హాఫ్, పాజిటివ్, నెగిటివ్. ఎస్, ఇది ఒక షేప్ రిఫరెన్స్కి పెట్టుకుంటే రిఫరెన్స్ దెన్ వాట్ విల్ బి ద అదర్ షేప్? యా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. యా, షేప్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి మరి. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ మై విడ్త్ల వైజ్ చూసుకుందాం. 1 minus 1, yes, this is the 2 width. 3 minus 1, yes, it is also 2 width. Positive cycle, negative cycle, same width ఉన్నాయి, good, well and good. Then next 5 minus 3, okay, ఇది కూడా 2 width ఉంది. 7 minus 5, ఇది కూడా 2 width ఉంది. Yes, periodic. The signal is periodic. Then what about time period? So ఇది మీకే టాస్క్, నాకు టైం పీరియడ్ చెప్పండి. సో ఇమీడియట్ మై క్లాస్ ఎవ్రీబడి మన ఎస్ఎస్ గ్రూప్లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి. ఈ పీపీటీస్ నేను ఎలాగో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను రైట్ నౌ ఇన్ అవర్ ఎస్ఎస్ గ్రూప్ ఎవ్రీవన్. లేదు మేడం నేను పేపర్ పైన పంపిస్తా. ఎస్, ఇట్స్ ఓకే, వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. మీరు ఎలా పంపించినా నాకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ ద ఇనఫ్ పేషెన్స్ టు చెక్. దీని టైం పీరియడ్ ఎంతో నాకు చెప్పండి. అండ్ ఆల్సో 4-5 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. In the next slides, I have the 4th example, I have the 5th example also. That also try to tell me the fundamental time period. Okay, because it is a less than a minute. So we'll start the next topic in the next class. So that's why I will share these PPTs with you in our group. 4-5 fundamental time period ఎంతో నాకు చెప్పండి, లేదంటే నేనే చెప్తాను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, hope everybody understood. If not, you can message me personally, not any other groups. Please remember, we should not disturb others. You can disturb me, not others. So every student